So this is the unboxing of the infamous Apple Magic Keyboard. I've been so excited to pick up this thing for my all new iPad Air 4 that I just reviewed about a week ago. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So this is what that $300 would get you with that Magic Keyboard from Apple. Oh, by the way, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, of course. Please do me a huge favor. Take a second to hit both the like and the subscribe button there. It's a huge boost to the channel, and I truly appreciate your support here. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. So it's a very simple and well-packed box here, as you would expect from Apple, with a glimpse of what the Magic Keyboard looks like when unfolded and sitting up. And the box actually has some weight to it. Looking forward to the thing inside. On the back here, it shows a little bit of the different angles or the different folding positions that you can put this thing in. So as I remove this wrapper from the box to take it out, I just want to say again that this is to go with my iPad Air 4, the 2020 iPad Air. You may be familiar again because I've been posting videos and also in the community tab about it. Now, according to Apple, it should fit without any issues. Although, if you look on the back here, it shows that it's only compatible with the iPad Pro models, and in this case specifically the 11-inch Pro first and second generation. But either way, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so it's sitting right there at the top of the box, and I know just like me, you notice the most obvious thing here, which is this cutout for the camera that is supposed to match the iPad Pro camera module, because if you remember, the iPad Air 4 only has a single camera. Now we'll go ahead and take it out and see what else we got here. Remove this last wrapper. It feels really nice to the touch here, actually. And you know, when I was taking it out, I was actually remembering the keyboard from my Tab S7. And this one right here feels a little more expensive. Actually, it feels a lot more expensive. And clearly it is, but it does feel a lot more premium. Not sure what material this is, but I really like it. Okay, so we have like a placeholder box in there. So I guess this is what the tablet would look like when it's sitting in. Oh, okay, so I see. So it actually won't open all the way because this top part here needs to fold back. Okay, so I guess fold it further back, I guess. The manual is actually in the placeholder box there. Nothing else, no wires, no nothing extra needed really. And I'm assuming it works right out the box. So this is the hinge that stops it from going all the way back. Now this inside material feels very nice. It feels even nicer than the outside. And it seems to be some kind of velvet. I'm not too sure, but it's nice. Okay, so it would sit something like this, and you can just kind of adjust that top part as you see fit. It's actually very firm and definitely needs a good amount of pressure in order for it to move. Then you have the Magic Keyboard connect points right here, those 3 dots there. The keyboard feels really nice. It has those Apple soft touches as always. It's very flat. I'm not sure if you can actually see it here. I've always liked Apple keyboards, and this seems to be no different. It looks very familiar too. The trackpad feels nice also. Hopefully it's better than the Tab S7 keyboard cover. The clicking feels pretty soft and pretty quiet here. All right, so as we sit the iPad Air in here, we can see it seems to connect with no issues. Now, even though this iPad is slightly smaller, a tiny bit smaller than the iPad Pro, it still fits very nicely. You can adjust the angles as you see fit, but it seems to fit really nice. It also seems to lock the tablet when you close it completely, and when you open it, it unlocks the tablet. Well, you still have to use the Touch ID in order to unlock completely, but it turns on. We have a USB Type-C port on the side here. I'm actually glad they got rid of that Lightning port. Definitely a big move for Apple. Overall, it feels very sturdy and portable. The keyboard is on point, and it seems like you have access to all of the functions that you would normally have with an Apple keyboard. The different gestures with the 1, 2, 3 fingers that go in between the apps and all that good stuff. And you can customize these options in the settings. It's pretty much turning this thing into a small Apple computer. The trackpad seems very accurate and also very snappy. I really want to do a comparison of this against the Galaxy Tab S7 official, well, the official Samsung book cover for the Galaxy Tab S7. This thing is really nice. Now I'm going to do a full review later on as, you know, I continue to use this, and also as I compare with the Galaxy Tab S7 keyboard there. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This was pretty much just the unboxing for this thing here. Hope you found this informative. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, of course. I'm going to catch you in the next video. I'm also going to catch you in the comment section like I always do. But up until the next video, please stay safe out there.